Hello friends, this time I am preparing to make tinolang manok. So what I need are chicken wings, sayote is already cut, and I have here ginger is already chopped with small pieces, and onion also chopped in small pieces. So let's get started. So at first, fried the ginger. Okay. And press it so that you could have the good taste of ginger. So stir the ginger. Okay. Then next add the onions. Stir it. Stir to fry the onion, and then add chicken legs. Then add 1 teaspoon salt, depends on your own taste of course, and then stir it. Then add 1 glass of water, stir it, add another 1 glass of water, stir it. And let it cook for 20 minutes. Then put the cover lid of the pan. After 20 minutes, we'll open the cover lid of the pan. Then stir it. Now we'll add the sayote. Stir it. We'll put the cover lid of the pan and cook another 10 minutes. In between, I lift up the cover lid and look for for tinola. So we stir it. Okay. So we'll put a little bit fish sauce. So this is my fish sauce. Yes. Fish sauce. So we'll put little bit fish sauce. Yeah. Okay. Then stir it. Try to taste it. Good. Delicious. Okay. And we'll put the cover lid back and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, lift up the cover lid and look. The tinola. So the tinola is done and ready. So what we do, put a little bit magic syrup so that taste more delicious. Stir it. So we try to taste. Delicious. So the tinola is done and is ready to serve. If you like my simple presentation, you can subscribe and hit the bell for further notification. So let's eat. H. Makaluk, bon appetit. Kain po tayo. And thank you for watching and God bless.